Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off auto update on messengers. So if you feel this is annoyed and you want to update your messengers manually from Play Store, for example, you can turn off this setting by tap on the update here, the app updates. You can tap it. So you can turn this off. When this turned off, updates add new features as soon as they're available. Here, the automatically download app update is turned off. So auto updates, the Google Play Store may still update your app separately in here. So feel free to try to update manually from Play Store. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. See you in the next video.